This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. Throughout this module, you will learn how to navigate through the Fisher website in order to look up parts, owner's manuals, installation instructions, and other information pertaining to Fisher products. In the product section, you will have access to information about snowplows, spreaders, and accessories. Clicking on a snowplow model will give you more information about that specific snowplow model, including its unique features, featured accessories, and the model's specifications such as blade height, width, weight, and other structural information. When selecting a spreader model in the product section, you will also gain access to the same information for that specific spreader model. From this section, you can also access all the plow and spreader accessories by clicking on the link below the accessories. When in the snowplow accessories section, you can view accessories for your specific model. You will also be able to view the different maintenance accessories such as dielectric grease, emergency parts kits, and much more. You will also have access to the truck accessories we offer, as well as our legacy accessories. The legacy accessories will provide you with the accessory part numbers for older snowplow and spreader models that we no longer manufacture. Most of our product information can be found in the support section, such as owner's manual, mechanics guides, parts lists and installation instructions, maintenance videos, and safety data sheets. The mechanics guide contains hydraulic and electrical schematics for your snowplow, as well as the necessary troubleshooting information. The maintenance video on the website are basic maintenance videos that are provided for everyone's access. There are a few ways you can find your parts list. For our most recent products, we suggest using the interactive parts list. In the support section, click on Interactive Parts List. Then select your product from the list of snowplows. When clicking on the product you are working with, it will break the product down by sections in order for you to easily find the part you are looking for. For example, if you needed to find the lift ram components for an XV2, you would simply click on XV2, Hydraulics, and then lift ram components. This will then generate the lift ram assembly components. If you are looking for a spreader part or older snowplow components, it would be easiest to access this information in our service publications library. This can be found under the support section. I will run through a few examples for a part lookup to demonstrate these tools. Example 1. Finding the part number for a driver's side mold board on an 8.5 stainless steel XV2 snowplow. Click on Support and then Interactive Parts List. Scroll down and find the XV2 tab. Once expanded, you will see Blade Components. Click on Blade Components to pull up the parts list. This will allow you to easily find the desired part number for the mold board. Example 2. Finding the part number for a vehicle side power cable for a polycaster spreader that uses the FleetFlex wiring. Select Support. Then under Helpful Links, select the parts list and installation instructions. Next, select Hopper Spreaders and then Polycaster. The part number for the vehicle side power cable will be listed in the Hopper Assembly and Drive Components section. Once selected, search for the parts list that represent your spreader model. This can be identified by the spreader's serial number. In this example, the spreader model uses the FleetFlex wiring, which would be the third parts list down. Select Parts to bring up the parts list to find the part needed. Example 3. Finding the part number for an angle cylinder on a Minute Mount 2 HD snowplow. Under Support, select Parts List and Installation Instructions. Select Snowplows, Minute Mount 2 Systems and Minute Mount System, Hydraulic Kits, and then Minute Mount 2. This will pull up all the documents listed for the Minute Mount 2 hydraulic kits. Select the parts list that is for the HD model plow. You will then generate the parts list needed to access the part number needed for the angle cylinder. Example 4. Finding the installation instructions for a 29049 light kit with a 3-port 2-plug isolation module wiring system. Under Support, select Parts List and Installation Instructions. Next, select Snowplows, Minute Mount 2 Systems and Minute Mount System, Harness Kits Electrical, and 3-port isolation module systems. Select the installation instructions for the 3-port 2-plug system. This document will provide you with the installation instructions for the 29049 harness kit, as well as many of our other light system kits. Example 5. Looking up the installation instructions for an HS snowplow. On the home page of the website, click on Support. Select the Parts List and Installation Instructions link. Next, select Snowplows, and then HS Compact Plow. You will then see the installation link located on the right side of the first bullet. Clicking on the installation link will provide you with the necessary installation instructions for your HS snowplow. Another great tool to use is the eSearch tool. eSearch is a faster way for you to look for instructions or parts list if you already have the part number on hand. For example, if you needed to quickly find the installation instructions for an 83845 shoe assembly kit for your HS snowplow, you would enter that part number into the eSearch tool located under the support section to bring up those instructions. Another handy tool is the eMatch system. The eMatch system lets you easily identify which Fisher snowplows will fit your vehicle's unique specifications. Ensure that you gather all the necessary information for your vehicle for the required specifications fields. If your vehicle is not listed in eMatch, then it does not have an approved snowplow application based upon Fisher Engineering's guidelines in compliance with Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. For more information regarding the Fisher product line, we recommend contacting a factory authorized dealer for assistance. To find the closest dealer to you, click on the Find My Dealer link and enter your zip code or city and state. This will generate the closest authorized dealers and provide you with their phone number and address. Thank you for watching. We hope this module will help assist you while navigating through the Fisher website for product information.